Welcome to our lifestyle segment. Today, we are joined by Sarah, a professional organizer. Sarah, many people find cleaning overwhelming. How do you suggest they approach a cluttered room without feeling exhausted?
Thanks for having me. The biggest mistake people make is trying to tackle everything at once. I always recommend the 10-minute rule. Instead of planning a whole day of cleaning, just commit to 10 minutes of focused tidying. It makes the task feel manageable and less intimidating.
That sounds quite practical. But what about deep cleaning, like scrubbing floors or dusting high shelves?
For deep cleaning, I suggest a zone-based approach. Divide your house into zones, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and tackle only one zone per week. This prevents burnout and ensures that every corner eventually gets the attention it deserves without turning your life upside down.
So, consistency is more important than intensity. Is that right?
Exactly. It's about building habits, not performing a miracle once a month.
I'm sitting here with Mark, a minimalist enthusiast. Mark, your home looks incredibly serene. Is it difficult to maintain such a sparse environment?
It was difficult at first, honestly. I used to be a collector. I thought more possessions meant more comfort. But I realized that clutter actually creates mental noise. Now, I only keep items that are either highly functional or bring me genuine joy.
How do you decide what to get rid of? Do you have a specific system?
I use the one in, one out rule. If I buy a new shirt, an old one must be donated or recycled. This prevents the gradual accumulation of unnecessary stuff. It forces you to be intentional about every single purchase.
That's a very disciplined approach. Does it affect your social life, like when guests visit?
Not at all. In fact, my home is a much better place for hosting because there is space to breathe and move around. It's much more inviting.
Today we are talking to Mrs. Higgins, a mother of 3. Mrs. Higgins, how do you encourage your children to help with household chores without it turning into a daily battle?
It's all about making it a game. If I tell my school-age children to clean their room, they just freeze. It's too vague. Instead, I give them specific small tasks. Can you put all the blue blocks in this bin, or can you match the socks?
That's clever. And what about when they inevitably leave a mess behind?
I try not to nag. Nagging just creates resentment. Instead, I use positive reinforcement. When they tidy up without being asked, I make a big deal out of it. I praise their effort rather than just the result. It builds their sense of responsibility.
So you're teaching them life skills, not just cleaning.
Exactly. I want them to grow up feeling capable of taking care of their own environment.